Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Firefox has QR functionality or add an extension. This saves time. Open the exact page or image you want to encode because accuracy matters for scanning. Right-click on the page or click the QR icon in the address bar, then choose Create QR Code. This generates a preview immediately. Once done, inspect the short URL shown and the QR graphic. Make sure the page is final. Small changes alter the encoded link. Next, customize the QR if the tool allows. Choose PNG or SVG and set a clear size so scanners read it easily. If you need tracking, append short URL parameters before generating. This preserves analytics. Now download the file and test it. Scan the code with your phone camera or a QR app to confirm the exact page opens. If the link redirects, make sure the final URL is what you want, because redirects can break some scanners. To finish, deploy the QR where viewers can scan it easily. Use a high contrast background and keep printed codes at least 2 cm wide per viewing distance. Make sure logos or decorations don't obscure key modules, they reduce readability. Once placed, rescan from typical distances and lighting. If scanning fails, troubleshoot by shortening the URL, increasing contrast, or raising the error correction level and regenerating the code.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.